girl needs a whisk. All right, guys. I wanted to make some keto yogurt really quick, and I'm going to show you how to do it. This is the easiest way to make a bunch. This is the easiest way to make a bunch of it, and it's pretty decent in carbs. You just have to use Fairlife milk. This makes the easiest yogurt ever. It's less sugar, it's got more protein, all blah blah blah. You can look at the label. That's for an 8-ounce cup. Obviously, when it converts to yogurt and thickens up, I mean, whatever, you're not eating a giant thing. But even if you are, it's good for you. It is got your, what's that stuff called in it? Bacteria? It's got your bacteria in it. So this is the milk that I use to make yogurt. And then normally I would just pick a yogurt that I love as a starter, but I'm going to try using my kefir cheese as a starter because I want super sour yogurt. So I'm going to use my kefir cheese and my Instapot. So you can get this at Target or Safeway or whatever. Okay, so you're going to look for this brand of milk, and you're going to look for your favorite like Greek yogurt, and you're only going to use 2 tablespoons. I'm trying kefir cheese just to see what happens. And then your handy dandy Instapot. Okay, let me get a tablespoon. Alright, this is how hard it is, guys. I have my camera backwards, so hopefully you can just see this and not like just my boobs or something are in the shot. Ryan, can you check the camera and see if it's like not polite? Okay, good. Okay, so we're gonna pour the, what is this? 52 ounces of milk into the Instapot. Then you throw the bottle away, like that, okay? My brother just rolled his eyes at me. And then pretend this is Greek yogurt, okay? But we know it's kefir cheese, but pretend it's Greek yogurt. It's gonna give us a little stir because it's been in the fridge a little bit. Oh man, I hope there's 2 tablespoons in here. We love our kefir cheese. Okay. Then you're gonna use 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt or kefir cheese. Well, maybe not kefir cheese, this might not work, but I think it will. It has the same bacteria in it. That's the right word, right? Bacteria? So that's probably a little bit more than a tablespoon, but oops, whatever. I won't throw that one. So 2 of those. Get it off my spoon. Get it off the side. Don't be gross. Lick your finger. Okay. I want to get every ounce off there, okay? Take a little whisk and make sure this is all combined. Now you could add some Swerve if you like sweeter yogurt for like desserts and stuff. You can add powdered Swerve right now and mix it in. Sometimes I like super sour yogurt and sometimes I like my yogurt to taste like a dessert. So I just make the yogurt and then each serving that I have, depending on my mood, I will add sweetener or not add sweetener. So that feels like it's nice and combined. Ryan, can you see me stirring in the pot? Because I can't see. Okay, cool. Put my whisk down. Let me see if you guys can see it. Yep, you can see it perfectly fine. All right, I'm going to set this to seal. Put it on. Close it. All right. Let's see if you guys can see the digital display. All right, now we're gonna come over here to yogurt. Okay, 8 hours on normal. Someone told me if I wanted extra sour to up the time. So I'm gonna up it to 12 hours. Let's screw it. Let's do 15 hours, okay? We're gonna do 15 hours. And then I'm gonna hit Nothing. I don't think there's a start button. I can't remember. Ta-da! Just like that. We have made yogurt. That's all you do. So it's the Fairlife milk and 2 tablespoons of your favorite yogurt as a starter. When you're making yogurt, I've learned that you want to make sure that your starter has all of these cultures in it to get the thick, super yummy yogurt. You want to make sure, because some yogurts only have a couple. Can you even see that? Sorry. You want to make sure it has all of these in it. And this will give you the super thick yogurt. But that's it. That's how you make yogurt. And then I'm going to take little mason jars and fill them up and put them in my fridge, and that's it. We're done. Blah! All right, that's all I got, guys. Stupid tea that I'm on makes me super hyper. So there's that. Bye!